Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This video is not sponsored by this company. My wife purchased some of the pots to give it to her co-worker and stuff like that. So anyway, let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. By the way, when I shake the box, you can hear the pot sounds. Hopefully nothing's broken inside, so it is made in China. It says plant pots colorful, new item. There's also a bag. It's an embodied monogram. Let's go ahead and open this up. Hopefully nothing is broken. Am I opening upside down? What is this? Let me just flip it upside down. Wow. Oh, no wonder it's making all this sound because of this wooden coaster. Sure, wait, is this for the plants? Why would we need this? Oh, so for the water to drain down there. It's a hole right there. So it's a colorful. It's a different color. And each one of this, they have this coaster. I just take this out and use it as a coaster. Huh. Oh, it's for this? Yeah, it is. So the water doesn't drip out on your furniture or out. But still, it's not going to hold that much water. So it's pretty nice then. So total of 6 different colors. So, and that will be the same thing, that box. But I want to make sure it's nothing it is broken. Gonna flip it upside down. Alright, so it looks good. Then this is the last item that I'm gonna open it up. Oh, this is a Ziploc bag. And then there's a T initial, there's an embroidery. There's this button right there. Oh, to lock, to strap it so it doesn't open. Right here. And on the back is nothing. It's almost like a canvas bag. And you got the padded handle on the top. And on the inside there is a zipper pocket right here. Okay. And so this is a 100% cotton wash coat and made in China, hang to dry. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.